Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's video we have another product from Lumoonosity. They have their new boxes slash artwork and they have a new product which is 65.6 feet of RGB strip, which is amazing. I'm gonna have to actually probably put these somewhere else, so this video might be delayed. Not too sure, but I'll try to make this as quick as possible. So this is the unboxing of it. So it says right here, thanks for choosing Lumoonosity. On the left side, color your life with Lumoonosity. Right side just has our trending products and some other information. On the back of the box, you have adjust brightness, remote control, RGB, safe to use, and other contact information. So let's get straight into it. Right here you have hello, I am your color expert. Yeah, they are really good for lighting equipment. They have tons of cool products. I highly recommend you guys check them out. I've done several different things, neon signs, regular RGB strips, hexagon lights, tons of good stuff. Let's get straight into it. So right here we have a user manual, clear instructions, really simple, and how to install this, how to use the remote and all that other stuff, how to apply them. These are IR remote, and then right here you have a satisfaction card. So if you like the product, you can share a review. If you don't like it, you can contact them. And then right here you have the strips. We'll get to that in a second. Then, oh my gosh, that's a lot of stuff. So we have, I think 5 brackets, 1, 2, yeah. So we have 5 brackets, 5 screws in here. So for mounting, remember this is 65 feet, so you have another 5, another 5, another 5. So you have 20 brackets, 20 screws. That's a lot and really good. Typical, whenever they have a remote, they always include a battery. I love this. Thank you for including extra batteries. It's something unique and they continue to do it. You have some command strips. You have 3 of them, so you can mount the power supply, the IR receiver, pretty much anything else. Really helpful. And then right here you have the power supply. So pretty standard. This is probably a 12 volt. Yep, 12 volt 3 amp power supply, Lumoonosity. You have the other end, which is for the outlet, and then this end is the DC volt. You have the IR receiver, so you have a split ended, and then you have the IR receiver for the remote. And then right here you have the remote and the power cord. So this is the power cord for the AC adapter. Oh, this is it's a matte feeling. Feels like paper. Really cool. Usually some remotes are glossy and I don't like the glossy. So you have, it's even branded too. So this is a custom remote. So you have jump 3.7, jump fade 3.7, DIY 6 panel, quick, slow, auto flash, RGBW, and then 12 other colors right here. Power on and off, pause, brightness up and down. And then right here you have a pull tab with the battery is included. As you can see, the battery is included. They include 2 batteries. Just so I show you, let me show you again. 2 batteries. So if one runs out, you have an extra one. You don't have to go to the store and buy one. That's everything you get in the box. All right, so how to set them up. You have 3 things that you really need to do. You get the power supply, plug this part in, like so. Plug this end into the wall, and then plug this end into the IR receiver, which should be the white box. Most people should know by now, but you know. You have mounting screws here, so if you want to use screws for more stable, you can use those as well, or you can put the command strip that are included, slap one of those on there. It's double-sided, you could put it on the wall, and it won't tear the wall because they're command strips. And then right here you have the arrow-to-arrow connectors. Get your strips. Okay, so you have an extra little prong here as well. So this is a replacement prong just in case. Oh man, this is really cool. So you have the beads. You have the beads here. As you can see, you have about an inch apart-ish. Really cool. You can cut these every so often. They'll have a little indicator, and I'll show you what that looks like right now. And then just get this arrow to arrow. So as you can see, this arrow is on this side. This arrow is on this side. Just flip that and then go ahead and connect it. Make sure you connect everything properly before you plug it into power. And then you can go ahead and plug it into power once you're good to go. So let's go ahead and grab the other one. Plug this in here. There we go. And then we're gonna go ahead and plug the other power. All right, so it's in power now. Let's go ahead and turn off these lights. So we have both of them here. You can have a look at the beads individually and the roll. Don't keep these reeled up if you're gonna just look at them because they can get really hot. Let's go ahead and change the color. As you can see, this is a remote. Make sure you point it at this IR receiver. This IR receiver has to be in sight. So you have red, green, blue, orange. Wow, that's a nice orange. You have a ton of colors here. Purple, really nice. These look really good. And then this is white. This is as close as possible for RGB to get to white. If you want RGB WW, you can get real whites out of there. All right, so first we're gonna go ahead and put some command strips on the back of the power supply. That way we can mount it basically on either, you can do it on the wall or on the desk. I chose to put it underneath the desk. I only use 2, and we'll see how well that holds up. If you want, you can use 3. It does come with 4, I believe, so you should be good on that. And then I mounted that one as well. I used 2 command strips for that one. Cable management is pretty bad, but it's fine. Anyways, we're going to go ahead and unspool one of them. I did end up only using one for now because it fit basically around the whole room, and I'll show you in a bit what that is. But basically, you're going to want to clean the surface beforehand. That way you have a better installation process, and that way it'll stay up a lot longer. And then use brackets like every so often. I'd say like 1 on corners and then in the middle or somewhere like that in thirds, however you want. So this is just the installation process here. It's really nice. They look really good. The corner was a lot harder to do for the first corner, but other than that, everything else is good. As you can see, you can see me putting in the brackets there, and it looks really good. At the end, this is what it looks like. It went around basically like 3/4 of the room, and I was going to use the other strip, but I had to leave. So yeah, as you can see, that's where it is. It's probably like 8-foot gap, but this is what it looks like with this full setup. If you haven't seen that video, I did a build video of that. He's also using a Lumoonosity neon sign, which looks really, really nice, and overall really appreciate the setup. It looks way better now that he has a real good LED strip to use. So without further ado, thank you guys for watching. If you guys like the video, make sure you like, comment, of course, to subscribe. And also check out his setup video that I did a video of. I hope that gets way boosted up if you haven't seen it. So yeah, I'll see you guys next one. Thank you for watching.